Hi, I'm Brian Reisdorf with ProMAX Systems, and I just want to talk real quick about the phenomenon of digital hoarding. So we live in a world where it's really easy and encouraged to keep everything that we do in digital media, to the point where it's considered irresponsible a lot of times to delete anything, especially media related. The reality of this is, though, depending on how a lot of us work, there really is a lot of junk in our storage systems. It goes from personal computers, corporate storage, you name it. There are a ton of files that you will probably never access again. And the biggest problem there is not necessarily that they take up your space, but they take up your time. They do take up space, and we do have to worry about filling storage. But the reality of it is, the bigger impact here is that organizationally, it's harder to find what we're looking for when we're sorting through a bunch of stuff we're never going to use again. So one of the things you can help to do to alleviate this, the biggest piece of advice we can give you, is, when you name your folders, when you go through and start building out a folder structure, always name folders with a finite purpose. Name a folder with a time frame, so footage 2019, or a very specific job, very specific project that has a finite amount of stuff that's going to go in it. The reality of doing that is that you are not going to get folders that just grow and grow and grow. You look at the downloads folder on your own personal computer, chances are it's probably got stuff for the last couple of years in there because there's not a real big impetus to clear that out. And finding things in there takes forever. And the same thing can go for generic folders where you've got a lot of footage or a huge list of projects where there's not a lot of rhyme or reason to that. So always try and name your folders with some kind of finite name. And really, remember the difference between a hoarder and a librarian is really just a lot of organization and some horn rimmed glasses.